Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to evaluate an essay sent by a student. So the purpose of this video is to show you how exactly the word by word evaluation takes place in your IELTS exam and to give you the idea how you can avoid common mistakes. Because what happens is when we go for IELTS exam and we come back, we expect a band based on our self evaluation in our mind, but when we get our score we just in case we get lower bands we just can't realize that where exactly we went wrong, and we think a lot of different reasons. So my purpose here is to show you how word by word evaluation takes place and how you can avoid common errors. Alright, so let's go through the essay. So the statement herein: in some countries girls and boys are educated in different schools rather than in the same school. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Okay, so the statement is quite clear. Now let's go through the response. Before I proceed with the response, the first thing I would like to tell that the student has used a pencil to write. That's really good, because when you use a pencil to write your writing exam, in case you make any mistake and you find it, it's very easy to wipe it and change your answer. But if you use pen, it's difficult. So that's why I always suggest all my students that always use a pencil to write your writing answer. So now let's go through her response. Here she comes. Majority of people believe that co-education is more better than separate education. Now first error is here itself. More better. No, it should be better, just better. Believe that co-education is better than separate education, but they should not be more better. So we see a mistake in the first line itself. This is not good. Okay, and she has written separate education. Well, instead of separate education, the perfect word should be segregated education, because you are actually just segregating it. So make sure you use proper words. Okay, now let's go to the second line. While there are some negative aspects for society, I agree with the view that combined education of girls and boys is more beneficial than separate education. Again, she is not perfect with her choice of words. So while there are some negative aspects for society, she can use a comma here instead of full stop. This is not required. I agree with the view that combine, or she should have written co-education of boys and girls, just, and instead you can just write co-education, because when you write co-education that means you're talking about boys and girls. Why do you need to write it once again? It's more beneficial than segregated education. Okay, now let's go ahead. First of all, co-education creates a self-confidence and better mutual understanding. The strongest argument is that those students who acquire education in some school, they have widest scope of thinking. Well, she is losing the track here. Let's read it once again. First of all, a comma comes. Okay, co-education creates a self-confidence and better mutual understanding. So she has ended the statement here. The strongest argument is that those students who acquire education in some school, they have, now again probably she wanted to use a comma here but she used a full stop. They have widest scope of thinking, how to talk, meet and maintain the discipline between two different genders. She needs a full stop here but she missed the full stop here. Moreover, in professional environment they can easily convey their message without any ambiguity, and besides sometimes they improve their conversation style and interpersonal skills among genders. If they if the person this is wrong, person acquires, so singular, third party singular, so always use correct time and tense. If the person acquires co-education, They will easily develop competitive atmosphere in class. It could be beneficial for both the genders. It should not be benefit. It should be beneficial. So you can see that there are so many loose tracks in this paragraph. She has just taken loose ends from here and there and then just combined. Although she was able to convey her message here, but with some grammatical errors and loose ends, this paragraph was not good at all. However, I believe that coeducation gives negative aspects. The sexual abusing rate increasing more and more with previous stat. Okay. However, I believe that coeducation gives negative impact, a negative aspect. Well, instead of this gives, she could write like, however, I also believe that coeducation does have negative aspects. The sexual abusing rate increasing more and more with previous statistics. Where is the verb here? In this sentence from here to here, there's no verb. The sexual abusing rate is increasing more with previous statistics. So she has missed the verb completely. So this is grammatically absolutely incorrect. The next sentence, the more emerging and challenging issue in schools. Now this sentence just doesn't fit here. This is like meaningless. She wanted to combine this with the previous sentence, but she has failed to do so. So this sentence is just appearing useless here. Secondly, the girls adapt same habits that perform by boys. Now this is absolutely incorrect. Secondly, the girls adapt same habits that are performed by the boys, or what see what she has written, habits that performs. First of all, performs should be for a singular word, but when you use a word like habits, can you use performs? Not at all. Habits that are performed by boys. Drugs and smoking problem are now more rapidly increasing. This is also wrong, because you need to write drugs and smoking problems are now uh, more rapidly increasing, because look, you are using the verb are, so it should reflect plural. Drug and smoking problem, so this is the noun, subject, problem. So problem is, so either write problem is or write problems are. Again, she has failed to use the proper time and tense. Now more rapidly increasing with previous years. The government should make a proper plan and implement financial plenty to boys and girls. Now what does it mean? I can't understand. The government should make a proper plan and implement financial plenty to boys and girls. I don't even understand what exactly she wanted to say. This doesn't make any sense to me. In this way, we acquire safe education. To sum up, although co-education has some disadvantages, I think that it proves to be the best way to add plenty mechanism. It would be better for schools and parents. By doing this, we can easily decrease a sexual abusing rate and provides better education for both genders in same under same roof. What is in safe roof? And we can easily decrease and provides. Your verb is can here. So how could you write provides with respect to can? Again, subject verb agreement is completely wrong here. So this paragraph is also too badly written. I mean, she first went to write positive aspects, then she described negative aspects. Now the points like sexual abuse, she described the sexual abuse here in the negative aspect, and then again in the conclusion she is writing that during uh, co-education such things like sexual abusing go down, but whatever she has written here, like she's just contradicting herself. So this was not a good piece of writing. Maximum somebody can expect is 5.5. This doesn't even deserve 6 because even the target hasn't been achieved in this way. So that's how an actual evaluation takes place. So you saw that how many loose ends, how many common errors can be done. So my intention is to let you know that how an actual evaluation takes place and you can avoid. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so that you can find more videos about how to improve. And thanks for watching it.